Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen, y'all. Today I am going to be making a recipe that y'all have requested. I've had several requests for this since I mentioned it on, I think it was a Salisbury steak
I don't know.
recipe because we had mashed potatoes. So I am just going to be doing some simple mashed potatoes, y'all. I don't do anything fancy to them, but I did find a shortcut in the boiling process. And so I thought I'd show y'all after y'all have asked. I have a rice cooker here. Yes, indeed, I do. And that is what we're going to cook them on. And I'm telling you, I did it. Just put it on and forget it, just like you do rice. Go back to it. But now everybody's rice cooker is different. Mine did pretty good with just the one cycle. I'm sure it's according to how much potatoes you have in there too. Now me and James Russell don't need a whole lot, but I'm going to do about a pound and a half of potatoes here, and I've just got them peeled and washed, and I always have some little cold water. And we just go put them right into that cold water. And the reason being is I know people have said my mashed potatoes is always gummy, which it's got a lot of starch in it. So if you keep the potatoes nice, one got in there. If you keep the potatoes with cold water on them, it tends to soak that starch off. Now, also, don't look at my cutting skills, but try to get them at least the same size, about a 1 inch. That's what you want to go for. So I'm just going to get these cut up real quick and get them in this cold water. Now, when after I get them done, I'm going to rinse them, and we're going to put fresh water in this rice cooker here, and a little salt. And that is going to be all it is. But let me cut these up because y'all don't need to see all that. Y'all know how to cut taters. And I'll be right back. All right, y'all got them all cut up. Now, look, they've not been in there but just a minute. You see how the water's a little cloudy? I'm just going to move them around a little bit. And I'm going to rinse all this starchy water off of it. And we're going to get them cooking. All right, y'all. Cut, washed, all the things. I'm just going to put them right in here. And this is how much water we got going on. You just want to cover, just want to make sure that your potatoes is covered in water. Whoop. Might not want to get too close to me. That's covered. It's probably, I could have done less water. In fact, I might pour some of that off because it might take longer.
With more
water. So let me just pour just a splash of this off and then I'll show you. All right, this is what we're looking for right here. Just covered. All right, we're going to go in with some salt. Always salt it, some flavor. And I'm going to wait on the pepper till we start mixing it. And y'all, it's all there is to it. We're going to just set it on that, just set it. Mine just has one setting, so nothing fancy here.
Cook till done.
Cook till done. And you also could do this in your Instapot or anything you've got rice setting or whatever on. But anyway, I'm gonna leave my butter out for so it can be room temperature, and we'll be back when it's ready. All right, y'all. She's been boiling and doing. I broke my little thing off, y'all. So look.
It still works just fine.
And it does. It ain't nothing wrong with it. It is fork tender. Like I could put fork right through it. In fact, I just had one. It was wonderful, lovely. So what I'm going to do, and it's all scratched up here too. That ain't dirty.
That's from use.
It's just used and loved. I'm going to drain these, and then we'll be ready to make our mashed potatoes. All right, y'all, got them drained. Got them in my little bowl. They've set just for a few minutes. Got me some milk warmed up. Y'all ain't that the cutest? When life gives you scraps, make a quilt. How cute. All right, now I've got some butter that's just been sitting out. Just room temperature. And I'm gonna do it in like little pieces here. And this is really your preference. How much butter you want. I'm gonna do about a half stick. And let that start melting in there in them hot taters. And now I got my little masher. I just got a little stir around. I didn't want to make a sound, right? I'm always loud. All right. Now I've got about 3/4 cup of milk. We're just gonna pour in here. And I know so many people, oh Lord, I'm spilling. So many people say, don't use a mixer. It'll make it mushy or slimy or whatever. But just so you know, a lot of times I'm in a hurry and I use my mixer. So you can use a mixer if you don't have a potato masher. Do it. Use what you got. It'll be just fine. I'm just mashing these. These are super tender. So get these mashed up. Let me clean this milk off. It's bothering me. Now I didn't use but maybe a 1/4 cup in this right now, and I think it's going to be enough. Now potatoes does absorb.
Looking creamy to me, man.
It is. And the more you whip taters, a lot of times, the more they do become gummy because of the starch. But y'all, simple. I'm gonna put some pepper and some salt in here. Now, you can add whatever you want. I love garlic potatoes. I like to put a little garlic in it, a little garlic butter. You can even cook your little garlic with some butter. We can put a little salt, but I'm just keeping it very basic. You can put sour cream in here. People put mayonnaise in it. All kind of stuff. Cream cheese, heavy whipping cream will also make it creamier. But that's all there is to it, y'all. Simple and easy. And I'm telling you, that rice cooker.
Cheat
really,
code.
Yes, I'm telling you. You ain't got to stir it. You ain't got to do nothing to it. Just put it back there, and it's perfect when you're cooking something else. So, easy peasy, y'all. Get that little. We got some chicken, and that's gonna be our supper. Some mashed potatoes and some rotisserie chicken. So you ready to give it a little try, Russell?
I'm ready.
All right. I'm gonna put just a few more little, maybe a little bit of butter on top, just make it pretty and a little
Doll it up
buttery.
a little bit.
Yeah. And we gonna call it a night. Alright, y'all, got our little taters ready. Got our little rotisserie chicken. Some gravy. Good to go.
We ready?
We're ready.
Yeah. Give it a try.
Give it a try.
Down the hatch.
For about 100,000 times.
Still ain't nothing better.
I love taters.
They are creamy.
I love
That's
taters.
as good as, that's as easy as it gets.
Just as if you slaved away in the
I'm
pot.
telling you.
Not the potatoes are difficult, but I did want to show that shortcut because, like I said, I've had so many people question it and ask for me to do it.
Can't beat it.
Can't beat it, honey.
No, you can't beat it.
No.
Use your rice cooker, y'all.
Yeah. I've got
Easy,
one.
man.
Mhm.
Easy.
Yeah, it did, and I don't even think mine didn't. I come in here and checked it, and it had not even finished through the whole cycle like we normally do with rice. It was still going.
It was
And
still going,
good.
and they were good. They were tender.
So wasn't even probably 20 minutes because
No.
normally rice takes about 15-20 minutes. But easy, and it was quick.
Yes.
And
Rotisserie, little gravy.
how easy can
Man.
it be?
Yeah, I like
Sometimes you just need a little quick
it.
supper.
Yeah, that's easy and delicious.
It is.
Fantastic. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs. Okay.
I like it.
All right. All right, y'all. There it is.
Yeah, simple.
Simple. I hope for the ones that have asked for it, I hope I did not disappoint.
Let us know if you try it. Yeah.
Yes, let us know.
Let us know. We love to hear it.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, go check out recipes on www.rhondascountrykitchen.com.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, be on Facebook, long form.
Yep. We trying, y'all. We trying
yeah.
to do better with getting it on social media.
We are. Yep.
So that's how we do. Y'all like, y'all share,
Yes.
y'all hyping
Hype
y'all
them,
doing
hype them
all
up,
the,
y'all. It helps us. It really does
y'all
help
doing
us if you
all
hype the
the
videos.
things.
Yeah, we do. We appreciate all the support.
All right, y'all. We gonna eat our supper, and until next time.